Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw an octopus. That's right, we're going to draw a cute octopus. This octopus will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the octopus's head first. Here we will draw a large circle for the octopus's head. Next, we will draw in the octopus's arms. How many arms do octopus have again? Oh yeah, I think an octopus have 8 arms. Let's draw in some wavy lines to present the octopus's arms. I will draw in 5 finger-like arms in the front first. How many arms do I have left to draw? I have 5 so far, so I will need 3 more. You can also change it up and make the octopus arms really long or really short. Next, let's draw the face of our octopus. Start with 2 circles for the eyes. Let's draw in 2 smaller circles inside each of the eyes. This will be the sparkle in the octopus's eyes. Feel free to draw in even larger eyes or tiny eyes for your octopus. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. You can also change the facial expressions for the octopus too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's start by coloring in our body. Feel free to change up the octopus's color and use other colors as well for each of the arms. Coloring can be so much fun. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Wow, look at our amazing little octopus friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some seaweed or fishes swimming in the back. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little octopus swimming in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the octopus. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.